This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. We will be taking an in-depth look at a decentralized Ethereum staking pool whose value has risen more than 20% overnight. It's currently ranked number 58 out of more than 10,000 altcoins on the market today. It's called Rocket Pool. Now, before we do so, if you have not already, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to ensure that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Over the last 2 years, we have grown and evolved, and we will continue evolving and providing even more value. Bear witness to our evolution. Now, what is Rocket Pool? It is a decentralized Ethereum staking pool where users can join as a node on its operator network or run their own nodes with 16 Ethereum. In the latter case, they can earn a commission from staking Ethereum and earn additional RPL rewards. Rocket Pool provides liquid staking, meaning users benefit from an increasing exchange rate instead of adding on to their initial stake collateral. Furthermore, Rocket Pool offers smart nodes, a custom node software allowing anyone to run a node on its network. Okay, what makes Rocket Pool unique? It essentially allows anyone to participating in their staking regardless of the level of investment. In this manner, even a big player like Gemini could use Rocket Pool by creating nodes that stake 16 Ethereum each. Now, many of you may be wondering, how is it secured? And is it a good investment? These are questions that you may have to answer for yourself with our information, of course. And as you can see here, it has been successfully tested and audited. The protocol is responsible for settings like RPL, inflation, and auctions. Now we can see here, this is the actual Rocket Pool platform, the official platform. There are currently 446,000 Ethereum staked on it, and there are currently 2,285 node operators. All right, remember we were just talking about that a few minutes ago. And as we go down, I'm going to show you something else. We can see here on the left, stake plus run a node, and on the right, stake in Ethereum. And then it shows you the requirements for both and how they work, the protocols to both. All right, on the left, with the stake plus run mode, it's permissionless. Only 16 Ethereum are required, and it has a higher return. If you just stake Ethereum, it's non-custodial, it's decentralized, and it's liquid. The initial amount is very small. If we go down, let me show you. Let me see here. There we go. Let me go down a little further here. And then this is the security. Their smart contracts have been audited by Sigma Prime, Consensus Diligence, Trail of Bits, and Offer. They have a bug bounty hunter program where if you can find bugs and point them out, you will be compensated for doing so. And right here you can see how does Rocket Pool work, the liquid staking, smart nodes, infrastructure, smart contracts, and so forth. And then down here we get into the community, Discord, that's always a good sign. Then further down here we can see the remnants of their roadmap that's passed. And then here the team, founder and CTO, David Rugendijk. He is the founder. He has over 18 years of experience, and he's a senior developer with a computer science background. He is also the CTO, which stands for Chief Technology Officer. The general manager is Darren Langley. And then this is the rest of the team down here. Okay. We like transparency in any project, whether we're investing in it or not. Now, as of today, Friday, April the 14th, the price per Rocket Pool token is $50.83. It's currently up just under 10% over the last 24 hours, as you can see here. It has a 24-hour low of 44.99 and a high of 53.40. Okay. Now, if we go over here into the top left-hand corner, you can see it's currently ranked number 58 as of this recording. Its market cap is 982 million, which is directly under the price per token. And we can see this is verified through CoinMarketCap. Now I'm going to work my way over to the right of the screen. And you can see the 24-hour volume is 33.5 million, which is up 98% over the last 24 hours. That measures how much of it was traded in the last day. All right, a lot of activity going on in Rocket Pool right now. And if we look over in the further right-hand corner, we can see circulating supply is 19,300,000 RPL tokens are currently in investor hands. Now it says 101%, which means this is the first time I've ever seen that. Anything over 100%. And then you see here the max supply and the total supply. So it's saying that the supply is all in investor hands, but I know that you can still currently purchase Rocket Pool tokens, all right? And I'll share that with you after I finish showing you this. We look here over the last week. It's 7-day low is 41.87. If we look over the last month, its 30-day low is 37.74. And we can see here the high 52.79 on yesterday. And then here over the last 90 days, I'm not concerned with that. I want to show you all time. Look. Now over its life, when it first came out, RPL in 2018 in October, it was 59 cents per coin. 59 cents. And it reached its all-time high on November the 10th. Yes, November the 10th, and that was, bear with me a second. You gotta love these needles here. Yes, there we go. November the 11th, and it was 59. So it's closing in on its all-time high right now, okay, as we speak. So it's in a very unique position. Now, it's up to you to decide if you think it's worth buying and investing in. All right, we just present the facts. Do your own research in addition. Now, in addition to buying more tokens, you have to protect what you have. The only way to do so is to get your own cold storage wallet. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. They're based in France. Right now, they have a special promotion going on, which I've never seen before, where if you buy a Ledger, you'll get up to $30 in Bitcoin just for doing so. Look here. It is called the Ledger Safe Journey Offer, and it's valid from now until April the 18th. So you have 4 more days to take advantage of this. When I got my Ledger for myself and my kid, they didn't have this out. All right. This is awesome. It really is. Now, the way you get $30 in free Bitcoin, let me show you, is if you purchase a Nano X, which retails for $149 on the left. Now, if you purchase a Nano S Plus on the right, you'll get $20 in free Bitcoin. All right, so in addition to this, they each come in several colors, as you can see here. They both store NFTs plus over 5,000 coins, and it shows you how the promotion works, where you can redeem your Bitcoin right away and hold on to them or cash them out. All right, and I'm going to show you here. The link is in our description. In addition to that, you can get RPL on Coinbase. Use our link to earn up to $40 in free RPL, and our link to crypto.com to get $25 more in free crypto. All right. Now, if this video has been of value to you and you want to contribute to our growth, you can do so by sending a super chat and also by donating or contributing with any ERC20 token as well. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.